Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. If you're like me, then you're on the go all the time. It is so nice to have a mini vacuum in your car to clean up those messes, especially if you have kids. So check out this cordless vacuum from HamBear. I absolutely love all of the features to this vacuum and all of the accessories. It has 3 gear shifts, your first gear, your second gear, and then your powerful mode. And it comes with a lot of accessories. So of course you have your container here with the filter. This is your long nozzle and it comes with a brush on the end. And then you also have the air extractor mode, which is really neat. It's a great idea if you are needing to take air out of, for instance, a pool float, a ball, something like that. This is awesome. I also really appreciate the second filter and the power that this has. It is small, but it is certainly mighty. Do you ever have really hard places to reach in your car or your house? This little nozzle is perfect for blowing out the dust, the sand, whatever is getting in those crevices. And to make it even more convenient and easy, it does come with a charger. This is portable. You can charge it simply in your car. It has the USB side here, and then it is a USB-C charging port, which is awesome because so many products are going to this charging style. Overall, I couldn't recommend this vacuum enough. I love the style, I love the design, I love that it's lightweight, yet it suctions really well. And for me, I always have crumbs, I always have something in my car that I want to get up fast, and I can simply grab my HamBear vacuum and it takes it all away. And that's my point of view.